Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to go ahead and do a 360 of this bag in case you are considering getting it. I absolutely love mine and it's very spacious. I did notice that the signs on the front do match, so I like that. I did notice though that on the side they don't match, but that's okay. And then the back looks like this. And I'll be inserting the measurements down below. I'll be getting them straight from the website. And the thing I did notice about this bag is that it's a little bit hard to get into this compartment right here. I'm not going to be using this just because I don't want it to lose its shape. It's kind of hard to get into, so I don't know what I would be using it for, but it's cute. The previous bags that I saw from like 2016-17 did have this part of the bag over the zipper, so it made it harder to open, but this one doesn't have that, so I do find it easy to open, and I like that they made that change. It has a slit in here so you can put your cards. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'll be showing you what I usually put in here. It's very spacious, so I usually put this in first, and then spray, body spray. And then I'll be putting my sunglasses, and I like that it kind of hits on the top a little bit so it keeps it nice and straight. And then I also have my AirPods, and I got this AirPod case from Case Babes, and it's super cute. Absolutely love it. I'll be putting the link down below. You can also put in your keychain, but I like to just put it in my bag. And there you go. And I'll also be showing you how I like wearing it the best. I'll be inserting the pictures or clip on the next slide. Yeah, so I'm super happy with it. I really love it. It's going to be a bag I'll be using a lot, so I'm glad that, you know, they did fix this part so that I can easily access my things in there.